Chevy. I'm dipping in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm flossing in my Chevy, my Chevy, my Chevy. I'm riding in my.
Alright, y'all, we back for another one. Junkyard flow. I got a tip. I think y'all might find it interesting. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Let's see where they set it at. Charger RT. Yes, sir. Ooh, one of the first ones. Leather seats. Nah, y'all know I'm bullshitting, right? We ain't come to record no Mopar, no car. We came to film this neon. I'm bullshitting. Alright, let's get to the meat and potatoes. This is what we came to film. Yes, sir. Ooh, Riveria, 1995. Or 4 or 5. Next generation after my 96. I apologize. GEICO Casualty Company. Damn. Look like I got hit pretty good. Yeah, 1996 Riveria, man. The next generation after mine. Still had them fuck ass earth shocks on the back with the brakes. They do have disc brakes all the way around. It is a plus. I do like the curvature of this dash versus mine's more a little squared and boxed off, but it was riding from the trend from the 80s. Yeah, man, leather seats. Not too shabby. Not too shabby. 120 on the dash. Let's see if we can pop the hood. Oh, damn. A little junkyard tip, man. If you ever need fuses, the junkyard the best place to get them bitches. Because 9 times out of 10, a car did not come here because of a fuse. The more you know. Just don't get the fuses I'm looking for. We alright. Let's see if this motherfucker open. I wonder if this was a supercharged one. I think most of them were. Let me see how to get this bitch open. Alright, so hood's open. As always, these struts is busted. Yeah, Series 2. Yeah, Series 2 3800. Where they put the power steering pump way put down there. You know what? I'm curious. Nah, that probably won't work. I was looking at that fuel pressure regulator. I don't think, nah, that wouldn't work. That wouldn't work for what we do. But yeah. Riveria took a mean ass hit. Boom! I wonder why they had these fucking Chrysler wheels in there. Door still open. Look at these cool little, you know what I'm saying, the passenger, they had the dual climate control. You know what I'm saying? The Riveria was a thing of luxury. You know what I'm saying? Don't get it twisted. It's a thing of luxury, so. check out the trunk. If we can get inside, it looks like it's already been popped. And once again, it has been. The struts ain't shit, ain't gonna hold it, so. Nothing real amazing to see, man. I hate to see another one of these or one of these hit the yard, but you know, shit happens. Shit happens. Sometimes shit comes to you and fucking hit all the way. Just broadside you. Big beautiful car though, man. Big beautiful car. I wish my Riveria was kind of like this big versus the other one. This is more like a full-size car. The Riveria I got now, that bitch feel like a go-kart. But she running. She's a runner. She's a runner. Man, we got some Honda shit over here, man. Yeah, man, I felt that was interesting. Thought I'd share it with y'all. I'm trying to find a couple more parts, but this was the main reason that got me out here today. Check out this Riveria. It's special to me, and it might be special to somebody else. So, like I said, we ain't a trend follower, we a trend setter. So, click that like button. Click that like button, man. Subscribe. Or if you didn't like it, click the dislike button. And then comment down below why you didn't like it. Not that I care, but you know, I will entertain. I want to entertain your outlook. You might actually have some positive feedback. You know what I'm saying? Or probably gonna tell me to go finish the Cutlass or finish the Caprice. Yeah, I'm gonna get into that. So. All right, man, we're gonna go and wrap this one up. It's your boy, LSHR254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. Life is all about choice to choose wisely and productivity or procrastination. Gone. Yeah, man, so I'm just walking through this thing, man. Look what I found. I just found a set of damn engine mounts just sitting here. I'm pretty sure these is for this truck, so they probably won't fit like a car application, but I mean, they just sitting here though. Like stuff like this, you usually like you gotta fight for it. I'm trying to decide if I want to grab them, but I don't need them. Right? Tell yourself I don't need them. Trailblazer spindles. I'm gonna have to go back and watch my documents to get in that video. Eventually, you know what I'm saying, the Cutlass might get a little upgrade on the braking. You know what I'm saying? Like my man must get in that set, get you some big boy brakes. Coming to the 20th century. You know what I'm saying? Get you some dual piston joints. But that's down the line for me though. I'm just trying to get the thing running on the stand for now. Everything else is here. Got Corpex 706Es. The water pump looks fairly new. So they got a starter right there. Let's see. Oh, I told you the junkyard was gonna provide, boy. Don't you ever in life say the junkyard ain't gonna provide. Get money, fuck bitches. Get money. That's right. Fuel pressure regulator. Ching ching. Right there. Easy for the pickers. So I'm gonna grab that fuel pressure regulator. I ain't gonna worry about the clamshells over there. Grab that fuel pressure regulator. Let's see what else we got up in here. I ain't gonna worry about the wires. Get the coolant temp sensor. The coolant temp sensor and the fuel pressure regulator, man, and we are one step closer. See, that's why I be out here, bro. I ain't even gotta get a phone call or, you know what I'm saying? I just come out here and I walk. You know what I'm saying? I walk and I cruise and I see what I can see. And as always, Junkyard will provide. I would have needed these cord packs, but you know, shout out to my dog Swaps. Shout out to my dog Swaps and stuff. I don't need that. So let me find. Let's see. Let me get my tools out, man. Get busy. Get this stuff off of here so I can get the hell up out of here. Hey, you know what, man? Check this out. I'm gonna grab these mounts just in case somebody else needs them. I might even do it as a giveaway. You might already have them. So I might just grab these bad boys and let them be like if somebody need them, man, and shit, I'll just be a blessing or somebody. I think they did come out that Vortex. They did come out that Vortex 5.7, so if it make a difference, I'm not sure. I don't think it should. It be got this shit got this fucking muffin cap push that blue. Thought about it, little gauges and shit. But I'm good. I don't need none of that. Eyes on the prize, man. Stay focused. Stay focused. Stay scheming. Trying to get ahead. But yeah, man, I'm gonna get these just in case somebody need them. And maybe I'll do a giveaway. Maybe I'll put them up for sale. I don't know. If you need something, let me know. See, we'll figure it out. So that's gonna wrap this one up, man. It's your boy LSRY254. Remember, identify your weaknesses, make it your strengths. Life is all about choices. Choose wisely and productivity over procrastination. Gone.